Welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Here's how to recover disabled Instagram account on iPhone. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now go to your profile page. Next, long press on profile icon and tap on plus. Now select login to existing account. Here, enter your disabled account username. Next, enter password and tap on login. Now you can see this error. To recover this account, tap on learn more. Next, you can see like this page. Here, tap on let us know. Next, select no answer from the video and subscribe my channel.